We're covering how to buy shares of Marshalls PLC as a quick practical example. Marshalls PLC is a UK building materials and hard landscaping company listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker MSLH.L. This is an educational guide, not financial advice. To place an order, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as a neutral example to show the workflow. After signing up, you will need to verify your account, usually with an identity document, and deposit funds before you can buy shares. Use the platform search box and type the ticker MSLH.L to locate the Marshalls PLC listing. Make sure you select the result that shows Marshalls PLC on the LSE to ensure you have the correct stock. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the company name, exchange LSE PLC, and ticker MSLH.L so you are confident it is the right listing. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, the platform may queue or schedule the order, and if you lack sufficient funds, it will prompt you to add money before finalizing the trade. After the order is confirmed, the new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform further.